next topic. Important derivation. Derive. Derive the equation. Derive the equation for time period of conical pendulum. Derive the equation for time period of conical pendulum. Derive the equation for time period of conical pendulum. First of all, what is meant by time period? Time taken by the object to complete the one cycle. We call time period. What is the time period of Earth about its own axis? 24 hours. And around the sun, 365 days. Clear some other concept? Okay. So we have to calculate the time period of conical pendulum. What is meant by conical pendulum? Conical pendulum means we call that is simple pendulum. And why it is called conical? Simple observation. It forms the shape of cone. How it is formed? Easy. So we take the simple example. This is considered the bob having mass m. This is the string, and now we give the circular motion. So what happens in that case? There are the two observations. What about the first observation regarding the string? String make the shape of like cone. Then string make the shape of like cone. And what about the stone? Or we consider the bob that is performing horizontal circular motion. Horizontal circular motion. Remember the two statements. What is the first statement regarding the string? String describe conical motion, means now it is follow the conical shape. And what about the bob? Now it's follow the horizontal circular motion. Simple pendulum. So what we have to consider for define the simple pendulum, that is we consider that let m be the mass of the bob, then L be the length of the string, then length performing the conical shape and bob performing the horizontal circular motions. We draw the diagram. After that, what is the main observation? We have to resolve the forces, and after the resolution, then equating to balance the which weight polar balance current, and after that we take the ratio and we go for the final answer. So before that, tell me what is the formula of time period. So remember, whenever any object performing the circular motion or rotational motion, the most important quantity is angular velocity. And how we define the angular velocity?
d theta by dt.
Omega is equal to d theta by dt. So that is the rate of change of angular displacement. So if we consider that bob performing the horizontal circular motion, so whenever bob performing the horizontal circular motion, that is it complete the one rotation. So whenever it's complete the one rotation, what is the distance traveled by that bob?
2 pi.
2 pi. Very good. So that is 2 pi. And how much time taken to complete the one
T.
cycle? That is capital T. Capital T means time period.
Period.
So we get the formula. And what is the formula of T? So from here we can calculate T equal to 2 pi divided by
Omega.
and as we know that what is the relationship between the linear velocity and angular velocity? 1 second.
V equal to
V equal to
R into omega.
R omega. So therefore calculate omega. So what is the value of omega? V divided by R. So substitute into this expressions. What we get, that is 2 pi divided by V divided by R. So that is T equal to 2 pi R divided by V. So this is the formula you have to remember. ठीक है. You can remember also by using the simple formula speed. What is the formula of speed? Distance upon time. So from here we can get what is the time? Time equal to distance upon speed. So if time taken to complete the one cycle, that is capital T. So what is the distance traveled by that object? 2 pi r, circumference of the circle. What is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r, and the speed, that is v. So you can remember according either by using this दोघं पैकी एक तर समजेल लक्षात ठेवा. एकदम सिंपल. एक पर्यंत समजलं. How to calculate the time period? Just by remember the formula of angular velocity or basic formula of speed. What is the basic formula of speed? Distance upon time. When time equal to distance upon speed. So when it's perform the horizontal circular motion, it's complete the one circle. So when it's complete the one cycle, so how much distance covered by that bob? That is 2 pi r. Means we call circumference of the circle. Distance. And after that speed, we denoted by the letter v. And last one t for capital T. There are the two t. First is small t and another is capital T. What is the small t? That is at that time. At that time. If we consider that bob performing horizontal circular motion, and we say that it completes the rotation in 10 seconds. Completes the rotation in 10 seconds. So from here we start the journey from point A and complete the revolution in 10 seconds. That is t equal to 10 seconds. So time period of that particle is 10 seconds, and we consider that it is traveling from A to B, exactly half. The half circle किती time मध्ये cover करतो? 5 seconds. So what is the meaning of that? At point B, what is the time period of revolution? That is 5 seconds. म्हणजे हा जो time असतो small t, हा काय असतो? At that time. कुठला असतो तो? At that time. At that time. त्या मोमेंटला टाइम किती तो काउंट करायचा बोलायचा. म्हणजे दोन टाइम पिरियड दोन टाइम्स मला लक्षात ठेवायचे. एक कुठला? At that time. And second वाला complete the one. Complete the one cycle. Complete the one revolution. Concept एकदम simple है. Clear समझले इतना? Next. So we have to calculate the derivation of time period of simple pendulum. We draw the diagram. Diagram is very easy. We consider that the string is suspended at the one end. So that is performing the circular motion. Bob is performing the circular motion. This is the height h, length L. Make an angle theta. This is the r and this is the bob. Simply, bob is performing circular motion. Whenever it describes the horizontal circular motion, what is the observation by string? String describes the conical shape. Conical shape for the string revolving. Example समझ लो? Okay. Now it is very easy to understood. So this is the bob. Having mass is m. How many forces act on this? We have to resolve. First is weight. That is act vertically downward. So the force act on the bob, that is weight. Weight mg. Mg vertically. Vertically downward. Second one, which force is act there? Centripetal force. Who is responsible to provide the necessary centripetal force? Centripetal force is necessary for circular motion, but who provides that centripetal force? Tension. Very good. Remember, whenever there is a string, whenever there is a string, always tension act into that string. So what is the direction of tension? Second force is tension. It is denoted by letter T. What is the direction? Upward. Along the string. So these are the two forces act on the bob whenever it is performing. So very simple. So one by one, basic and easy. Remember, conical pendulum it is also called simple pendulum. First statement. What is the second statement? Whenever simple pendulum performing the motion, what is the observation? String describe which part? Conical. And bob describe horizontal circular motion. Bob describe horizontal circular motion. So remember the diagram. So after that we resolve the two forces. First is weight that is act vertically downward, and second is tension along the string towards the support. This is the support. Now here we fix the string along the string towards the support, or we can write down only. Now the tension, the direction of tension is upward along the string. So remember, whenever any force make an angle, so it is resolved into two components. To resolve into two components, that is tension. This is angle theta. So this is also angle theta. So that is tension resolved into two components. So whenever tension resolved into two components, what is the observation? Tension means hypotenuse, and this is the angle theta. So this side means that is adjacent side. So which component of adjacent side? That is cos theta. So t cos theta and t sin of theta. So very simple, tension resolve into two components. What is the first component? Horizontal, and second is vertical. So what is the horizontal component? T sin theta. T sin of theta. And what is the vertical component? T cos of theta. So we complete the derivation of half part complete. And last फक्त easy तुम्हाला already ते माहिती. Derivation part simple है. First write down the definition. What is the definition of conical pendulum? It is the simple pendulum. Then whenever it is performing the motion, string described, conical shape, bob described, horizontal, circular motion. Very important. After that, write down the notation. What are the notation? First, M1. What is the M? Mass of the bob. Then N. What is the N? Length of the string. After that, then theta. What is the theta? Theta is the angle between length and vertical surface. That is angle between the string and vertical surface. Angle between the string and vertical surface. After that, what is this V? V for speed of that ball. Speed of the ball. Clear समझना? Easy है. And then after that we calculate the time period. How to calculate the time period? According to the formula of angular velocity. Simple है. T equal to 2 pi upon omega. Omega equal to V upon R. Then we get T equal to 2 pi R upon V. V for speed. Or second formula, according to the speed. Speed distance upon time. Time equal to distance upon speed. Distance it travel along the horizontal circular path. So what is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi R divided by V. So we require to. How to calculate V? First we resolve the forces. How many forces act on the bob? 2. First, weight. How it is act? Vertically downward. Second, tension. How it is act? Along the string towards the fixed support, or along the string upward. It is resolved into two components. Like that, first horizontal component and second vertical component. What is the horizontal component? T sin theta, and vertical component T cos theta. नंतरचे observation माहिती आहे तुम्हाला? What is the next observation? T cos theta balances weight, and then T sin theta provided necessary centripetal force for performing the horizontal circular motion. Provided necessary centripetal force for performing the horizontal circular motion. The main statement. And after that statement, what is the observation? बोला लोग. Can you answer? So that is mv square upon r equal to t sin theta. Make equation first, and second equation, that is mg equal to t cos of theta. Make equation second. On divide equation first by second. So after dividing the equation first by second, so what we get? So mn get that is v square by is equal to tt get sin by cos. What is the value of v? So that is v equal to under root of r g tan of theta. v equal to under root of r g tan of theta. Vehicle, whenever vehicle take the turn, definitely it is into the curvature. So whenever it is follow the curvature path, circumference path, definitely it is in horizontal circular motion. So therefore formula is same. And what is the formula of T? Time period T equal to 2 pi r divided by V equal to 2 pi r divided by the root of. So is equal to 2 pi under root of, the important statement. So whenever we write r in terms of root, so we write down r square. So what is the value of r square root? Only r. Clear? And then rg tan theta as it is. So what is the observation? 1 r get? That is 2 pi under root of r divided by g tan of theta. R divided by g tan of theta. Remember the diagram. What is the diagram of conical pendulum? Very simple. Because diagram is properly observation kara. Height, length, bob performing horizontal circle. This is the bob. Mass m, radius r, theta. So according to that, tell me what is the value of sin theta? What is the value of sin of theta? So for calculation of sin theta, what is the opposite side? What is the adjacent side? So according and hypotenuse L. So what is the observation sin theta? R opposite side divided by. So what is the value? That is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Then the answer R divided by. What is the value of R? L sin. R equal to L sin theta. Value substitute kara. 2 pi under root of R equal to L sin of divided by acceleration equilibrium again. What is the value of tan theta? Sin theta divided by sin theta get reciprocal goes to numerator. It becomes L cos theta divided by G. So this is the derivation. This is the expression for calculation of time period of conical pendulum. Simple. What is the formula? T equal to 2 pi under root of L cos theta divided by G. Remember, whenever या केस मध्ये अँगल स्मॉल राहील का जास्त राहील ते सांगा. हे झाले फर्स्ट केस आणि सेकंड केस. कुठल्या केस मध्ये अँगल जास्त राहील? हां, फर्स्ट केस मध्ये अँगल काय राहील? कमी राहील. जर तो स्मॉल राहील तर cos 0 किती असतो? 1. म्हणजे जर अँगल स्मॉल राहील तर cos of theta काय राहील? near equal to 1. So remember, whenever if the angle theta is small, so then cos theta is near equal to. So what is the formula becomes? So that is T equal to 2 pi under root of L divided by G. आता मी तुम्हाला एकदम सिंपल क्वेश्चन विचारतो. याचं मास आपण काउंट केलं आणि लेंथ आपल्याला माहिती. मी त्याला इथं आराईज अकॅडमीच्या क्लासमध्ये टाइम पिरियड परफॉर्म करतोय. सेम एक्झॅक्टली तेच फोर्स अप्लाय केला आणि परत सेम हाच क्लास आपण मून वरती शिफ्ट करून घेतला आणि मी सेमच करतोय. क्लास कुठे शिफ्ट झाला? मून वरती. त्याचा टाइम पिरियड डिक्रीज होईल, इन्क्रीज राहील का सेम राहील? लेंथ सेम, मास सेम, फक्त प्लेस चेंज. एक प्लेस अर्थ, सेकंड मून. टाइम पिरियड इन्क्रीज डिक्रीज या सेम? वाय? म्हणजे टाइम पिरियड डिक्रीज होईल. ठीक आहे. अजून क्वेश्चन समजला? हे बघा, वी परफॉर्मिंग द कॉनिकल पेंडुलम इन मोशन. सेम मोशन अप्लाय. वी परफॉर्म ऑन अर्थ सरफेस. Then length same, mass same. We shift the class at the moon. What happened in that case? Length same, mass same. Only what change? Place. Only what change? Place. So what is the time period in that case? Both cases मध्ये same राहील. कुठं जास्त राहील, कुठं कमी राहील? अर्थ वरती टाइम पिरियड मॅक्सिमम राहील का मिनिमम राहील? मून वरती मॅक्सिमम राहील का मिनिमम राहील? या दोघां ठिकाणी सेम राहील.
मून वरती मिनिमम राहील, याच्यावर मॅक्सिमम राहील. तिथं 6 ने डिवाइड होईल.
ओके. अजून कोण सांगेल? टाइम पीरियड मॅक्सिमम राहील का? मॅक्सिमम कुठं राहील? मून सरफेस या अर्थ? फिक्स. मून सरफेस या अर्थ?
नाही, मून सरफेस.
तुम्ही टाइम पिरियडचा फॉर्म्युला पहा. व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ टाइम पिरियड? T equal to 2 pi under root of L divided by G. आता main observation. The value of 2 pi constant, they always say throughout the universe. After that, length. The value of length also same. Fixed length. Only what change?
G.
What is the value of G at Earth?
9.8.
point something. 9.81 divided by 6 करा 1 point something.
1.6 something.
The maximum value कुठे आहे अर्थ ला. जर मॅक्सिमम हा असेल अर्थ वरती तर हा किती राहील मून वर काय असेल का t equal to 2 pi under root of L by g moon. So acceleration due to gravity is minimum. Time period is समजा अर्थ वरती कॉनिकल पेंडुलम ला एक सर्कल कंप्लीट करायला 10 सेकंड लागतात. तर डेफिनेटली तिकडे मोर दॅन 10 च राहतील. ते किती राहतील 15 16 17 अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर. What is the time period of conical pendulum? At the moon surface is maximum. Why maximum? Acceleration due to gravity is minimum. And then time period is inversely proportional to square root of acceleration due to gravity. If acceleration due to gravity is minimum, time period is maximum. Simple concept. तुम्ही observation of केलेलं असतं. समजलं? काही लक्षात? इतकं easy. So remember the one important note you have to remember, that is time period of conical pendulum. Time period of conical pendulum depends on depends on that is length of the string. Next, value of acceleration due to gravity, and it is independent on mass of the ball. Mass have said the time period of conical pendulum is depends on. The time period of conical pendulum is independent on. Then the observation right L, G आणि M. एक कुठलं तरी टाकून देतो. म्हणजे independent मध्ये कोणत्या आहे mass. It does not depends on mass of the ball. It does not depends on mass of the ball. कशावर डिपेंड राहील लेंथ then acceleration due to gravity. याचा एकदम सिंपल मीनिंग आहे. स्टोन घेतला बॉल घेतला समजा याचा मास आहे 100 ग्रॅम्स आणि आपण परफॉर्म करतोय 100 ग्रॅम्स हा लेंथ सेम आहे. मी 100 ग्रॅम्सवर रिप्लेस केलं 500 ग्रॅम्स ने आणि परफॉर्म करतोय लेंथ सेम आहे. अर्थ वरती परफॉर्म करतोय जी सेम आहे तर दोघांवरती 100 ग्रॅम्स वरती पण आणि 500 ग्रॅम्स वरती पण जी ऍक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रॅव्हिटी व्हॅल्यू सेम आहे आणि लेंथ पण सेम आहे. त्याच्या आन्सर काय दोघांचा टाइम पिरियड सेम आहे. मध्ये क्वेश्चन विचारतात वी कन्सिडर द मास 1 kg and next is 2 kg, length is same, we perform on earth, what is the time period? 1:1, 1:2, 2:4, 4:7 काही नंबर असतात. तुम्हाला रेग्युलर क्वेश्चन काय करायचे कॉनिकल पेंडुलम पहिला वर्ड पकडायचा. कॉनिकल पेंडुलमचा एक्झाम्पल आहे. नेक्स्ट चेक करायचं मासेस दिलेले आहेत ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट चेक करायचं लेंथ इक्वल आहे आणि ऍक्सेलरेशन सेम. जर लेंथ इक्वल ऍक्सेलरेशन सेम आहे त्याच्या आन्सर काय आलं पाहिजे 1:1. तर आपण लगेच मास तर 2:1 टाकून देतो रेशो घेतो आणि त्याच्या आन्सर डिफरंट आहे. क्वेश्चन असाच करतात दोनच क्वेश्चन बनतात डिपेंड इंडिपेंडेंट दोनपैकी एक आणि नेक्स्ट वन दोन ऑब्झर्वेशन दिले असेल वन बॉब हॅविंग मास सेकंड बॉब हॅविंग मास बोथ लेंथ इज सेम acceleration due to gravity is same, then what is the time period? 1:1. जर त्याने दिलं असेल both first bob having mass 100 grams, second 500 grams, length of the first is 1 meter and length of the second is 2 meter. मग इथं value put करावं लागेल 1 and 2 meter. And acceleration due to gravity value is same. So in that case, what happened? Time period will be different. So we can solve the ratio. How we solve the ratio? Simple. So length of the first is L and second length is that is 2 times original. What is the time period? So we write down T1 by, so simple formula T1 is equal to 2 pi under root of L by G. So time period is directly proportional to square root of length. Acceleration due to gravity same, 2 pi same. What is the observation? T is directly proportional to under root of L. So we take the T1 by T2. Then answer T1 by T2, L1 by L2. So that is under root of L divided by 2L. So L will get cancelled 1 upon root 2. What is that? 1 upon root 2? 14, 14. And 1 upon 14, 14, 70, 70. So this is the answer. Show 1 by root 2 answer. क्वेश्चन का इझिएस्ट. समजला ना? हे जे सगळे एमसीक्यू संपले. तुम्ही जोपर्यंत प्रॅक्टिकली असं ऑब्झर्वेशन करत नाही की समजा हे चेंज झालं ते चेंज झालं याच्या रेशो काय येईल तेव्हाच तुम्हाला सगळे क्वेश्चन समजतील. कॉम्प्लीट फॉर्मॅट होईल तेव्हा तुम्हाला आन्सर येईल. डेरिवेशन समजलं. स्टार्ट कसं करणार? कन्सिडर लेंथ. Consider the n be the mass of the block, then L be the length of the string. After that, it is the simple pendulum. Conical pendulum means simple pendulum block performing horizontal circular motion and string conical shape. Conical shape मध्ये string roll होते म्हणून त्याला म्हणतात conical pendulum. त्याच्यानंतर डायग्राम आठवलं सगळ्यांना? डायग्राम बॉब दिसतोय. मास फर्स्ट फोर्स कुठला रिसॉल्व करणार? वेट. डायरेक्शन डाउनवर्ड. सेकंड फोर्स टेंशन along the length towards the support किंवा upward. टेंशन रिसॉल्व इनटू टू कंपोनेंट, वर्टिकल आणि हॉरिझॉन्टल. वर्टिकल T cos, horizontal T sin. T cos theta balances weight. T sin theta provided necessary centripetal force for circular motion. First equation काय येईल? mv square upon r equal to t sin theta. Second equation mg equal to t cos theta. Divide first by second. What is the value of velocity? Under root of rg tan theta. Then what we have to calculate? Time period of conical pendulum. How we calculate? t equal to 2 pi r upon v. Value put करा, वरच्या r ला under root मध्ये घ्या. तो काय जाईल? r square by rg tan theta. 1 r get cancel. What is the answer? R by G tan theta. Diagram observation करा. Triangle दिसतोय. Opposite side कुठली दिसते तुम्हाला? R. Adjacent H. That is height. आणि hypotenuse L. Sin theta काय येईल मग? R divided by L. R चा आन्सर काय येईल? L sin theta. R ला रिप्लेस करा L sin theta. Tan ला लिहा sin by cos. Sin cancel. Cos गेला वरती. L cos theta by G. If theta is small, cos theta is 1. Final answer t equal to 2 pi under root of L divided by G. The value of acceleration is changes when the place is changes. The time period change will. केव्हा change will? When the value of acceleration is changes. Clear समजलं? चला आता आपण डेरिवेशन लिहू. Derive equation for time period of conical pendulum. Simple and easy. First statement definition of conical pendulum. A conical pendulum is a simple pendulum. A conical pendulum is a simple pendulum in which the bob describes the horizontal circle and string describes the cone describe the cone. Definition झाली. चला फर्स्ट पॉइंट घ्या. consider one by one घ्या. m equal to, write down, m equal to mass of the bob. Next line वरती लिहिणार L equal to length of the string. L equal to length of the string. Length of the string. Next here R equal to, we know that it performing horizontal circle. So R equal to radius of the circle. R equal to radius of the circle. R equal to radius of the circle. Next one theta. What is the theta? Angle between vertical and the string. Angle between vertical and the string. Vertical line and the string. Angle between vertical and the string. Important notation. Next, capital T. What is the capital T? Time period of conical pendulum. Right or wrong notation? Time period of conical pendulum. Capital T. Time period of conical pendulum. Next, omega. What is omega? Angular velocity. Angular velocity of the bob. Angular velocity of the bob. Angular velocity of the bob. Last one, speed. B equal to speed of the bob. B equal to speed of the bob. Draw the diagram. Diagram draw the diagram neat and clean and proper by lines properly drawn by. Make sure that तुम्ही जेव्हा हेड ड्रॉ करताना तर डोळ्यांच्या शेपटी काढायचा तो सर्कल आहे हा डेफिनेटली पाहून घ्या सर्क्युलर दिसायला पाहिजे सेम असे राईट हे नाही करायचं एक्झॅक्टली हा कोणी बनवायचं हे रॉंग घ्या तुम्ही असं बनवलं तर हे रॉंग घ्या घाई नाही करायचं डायग्राम प्रॉपर पाहिजे झालं डायग्राम ड्रॉ झाली ठीक हे पण हे सेंटरला यायला पाहिजे एक्झॅक्ट सेंटरला यायला पाहिजे तुमचं डायरेक्ट आहे ते सेंटरला यायला पाहिजे तर याची तीच परिस्थिती म्हणून आपण तुम्हाला हसायचं फक्त करेक्शन करायचं तुमचं काम फक्त करेक्शन करायचं फास्ट लर्निंग करायचं करेक्शन करायचं सीरियस नेक्स्ट second number the point the forces acting on the bob point number second the forces acting on the bob the forces acting on the bob second point मध्ये first number second मध्ये first number चा point काय first number चा point weight mg acting vertically downwards weight mg acting vertically downward weight mg acting vertically downward second number tension capital T tension capital T acting upward along the string acting upward along the string tension capital T acting upward along the string next time what is that tension resolve into two components tension resolve into two components tension resolve into two components. The first number horizontal component, equal to, write down the horizontal component, t sin theta, horizontal component t sin theta. Second number vertical component equal to t cos theta. Write down horizontal component t sin theta, second one vertical component t cos theta. Simple है. Point number third number तो statement है. क्या है third number तो statement? T sin theta provide necessary centrifugal force for circular motion. Write down. T sin theta provides necessary centripetal force for circular motion. Necessary centripetal force for circular motion. Write down the first equation. mv square upon r equal to t sin theta. Make equation first. mv square upon r equal to t sin theta. Make equation first. Point number 4. Write down the point number 4. कई आंसर बोला. t cos theta balances weight. Very good. t cos theta balances weight. t cos theta balances the weight. Write down the equation. What is the equation? mg equal to t cos theta. Make equation second. mg equal to t cos theta. Make equation second. Complete. Next. On dividing equation first by second we get. On dividing equation first by second we get. On dividing equation first by second we get. First solve करा था. After divide cancel m and go up to b equal to under root of rg tan theta. Divide करेगा m cancel करायचा. b square by rg equal to tan theta. Since we knew that sin theta upon cos theta equal to tan theta. Derivation complete. Find out b equal to under root of r g tan of theta. How many points we completed? 4. Fifth number, time period. Heading there. Fifth number, time period. या फॉर्मूला बॉक्स करून घ्या b equal to under root of r g tan theta. Fifth number point, time period. First write down the definition. What is the definition? Time taken by the bob to complete the one cycle. Write down definition of time period. Time taken by the bob to complete the one cycle is called time period of conical pendulum. Time taken by the bob to complete the one cycle किंवा revolution. Cycle or revolution. सर्कलच्या वेळेस revolution जास्त यूज करायचे. To complete the one revolution is called time period of conical pendulum. So according to कुठल्याही फॉर्म्युलाने सॉल्व्ह करायचं. तुम्हाला जर हा येत असेल तर या फॉर्म्युलाने घ्या, तुम्ही या फॉर्म्युलाने घ्या. तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट कुठलाही फॉर्म्युला घ्या. तर जो कॉलम मध्ये जो घ्यायचे जो वाटतो त्याने सॉल्व्ह करायचं. डायरेक्ट केली नाही. Yes, e equal to 2 pi upon omega और याद रखना either speed equal to distance upon time और ऐसे सॉल्व करना. मध्ये कॉलम टाकून द्यायचे दोघं सॉल्व करून घ्या. तुम्हाला जो वाटेल त्याच्याने फॉर्म्युला किंवा डायरेक्टली हा पण लक्षात ठेवला t equal to 2 pi r upon b तरी चालेल. तो स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म्युला आहे. If you remember directly घ्या t equal to 2 pi r upon b. Then put the value of b and then calculate. कंप्लीट करा तिथपर्यंत t equal to 2 pi r upon b. डायरेक्ट लक्षात ठेवायचं. चला आता फक्त b ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करा. नेक्स्ट लाईन त्यानंतर बाकी कंप्लीट करो फास्ट। धीरज हो गया आपका? चलो ठीक है, नेक्स्ट solve current derivation. So put the value of velocity and then solve up to last equal to 2 pi root of L by G. Substitute the value of from triangle, this triangle O A B, so that is sin theta equal to L divided by R. Sin theta equal to R divided by L, so therefore R equal to L sin of theta. नहीं एक दस कर दे, हम तो ड्रॉ के लिए
हाँ लाइन ड्रॉ करें।
derivation complete. Last load at the point length load. Load term first. Load term first. What is the first load? It depends on. Depends on. Write down one by one observation. It is depends on length of the string. उसका length of string इधर जाता है. ये shortcut ही इधर जाता है. उसका length depends on length of the string, acceleration due to gravity, and theta. तो ये क्यों possible है theta? When theta is large. Theta is large means cos 60 degree and cos 30 degree and cos 45 degree. All having numbers are different. Whenever there is a 60, 30, 45, when the theta is large, so what is the observation? Time period also depends on theta. And when theta is small, independent on theta. And cos theta is answer by 1. Next layer. time period independent on first observation. What is the first and most important observation? Mass. And next, theta. When theta is small. These are the important observations. And write down the value of acceleration due to gravity of Earth. 9.81 meter per second square. Then Moon. Earth divided by 6. तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल दिलं आहे अर्थ आणि मूनवर तुम्हाला ऍक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रॅव्हिटीचे व्हॅल्यूज माहिती पाहिजे तेव्हाच तुम्ही ते सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. ठीक आहे, समजलं? सो कॅल्क्युलेट द व्हॅल्यू 9.81 डिवाइडेड बाय 6. कॅल्क्युलेट करून याचा नंबर लक्षात ठेवा. 9.81 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 1 point something. Right, 1.6 something. Then 6 is the 36 will. 6 5 is the 30. Three number 81 पर 81. 1.6 1.63. ठीक है 1.63. Last fourth number point. Fourth number ठीक है. Fourth number. What is the value of B equal to R omega? And what is the value of B? That is R omega equal to under root of RG tan theta. We have to calculate the value of omega. We have to calculate what is the value of angular velocity of conical pendulum. हा क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो ना. Derive an expression for angular velocity of conical pendulum. त्याला सेम डिराइव करायचं. सेम डायग्राम सेम, रोटेशन सेम, फर्स्ट सेकंड सेम and velocity पर्यंत सेम सॉल्व करायचं. फक्त नेक्स्ट चेंज यूज b equal to r omega. What's the value of b equal to under root rg tan theta. Squaring on both sides, what we get? R square omega square equal to RG tan theta. At what tan theta is explained? Tan theta equal to what? Tan theta equal to opposite divided by tan theta equal to opposite divided by this is मी तो बरोबर लिहिलं. ठीक है, वैल्यू पुट करू आपण R divided by H. R into R square on both sides. What is the value of omega square? G divided by H. So omega equal to what? Under root of G divided by H. Remember, height of the ball, and then G for acceleration due to gravity. Derivation विचारलं जातं. कुठलं derivation तुम्हाला फॉर्म्युला लक्षात ठेवायचा. Derivation H मेरे टाइम पिरियड्स. तो नोट मध्ये लिहून घ्या. Omega question mark means angular velocity of conical pendulum. ते लिहून घ्या स्टेटमेंट. Angular velocity of conical pendulum. Angular velocity of conical pendulum. And then solve. ते as it is solve करायचे. Imagination is a problem. नोटचे तर दिले इंटू द नीट JCT म्हणजे हे पॉइंट वर लक्ष ठेवायचे नाही. Then you can solve when you ask in the examination NEET J and CET. तेव्हाच तुम्ही ते प्रॉपरली व्यवस्थित करणार. नोटबुक क्लोज करून द्या आता. फास्ट रिव्हिजन करायचं फक्त 1 मिनिटामध्ये आपल्याला. तू फक्त वर्ड्स बोलत जाईल, पॉइंट्स माझ्याकडे लक्ष ठेवा. Conical pendulum, simple, then horizontal, cone, then forces, weight, downward, tension, along, upward, resolve, T cos theta, T sin theta, T sin theta, centripetal, T cos theta, mg, ratio, cancel, answer B equal to under root of RG tan theta. Time period, 1 revolution. Formula T equal to 2 pi r upon velocity. Velocity substitute r cancel, replace r equal to L sin theta. Sin theta get cancel, cos theta numerator ला जाईल, and then after that small it becomes 1, then T equal to 2 pi under root of L by G. Important notes: first depends Lg, depends theta when theta is large. Second independent mass, second theta when theta is small. After that remember the value of acceleration due to gravity, earth 9.81. Next 9.81 divided by 6, 1.36. दो नंबर को काढून घ्यायचे. And last one the angular velocity of conical pendulum V equal to R omega, which are formula taking square. After that tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent, r by h, r get cancel, omega equal to acceleration due to gravity divided by h, that is omega equal to under root of g by h. सगळ्यांना समजलं? सिंपल होतं. ओके, उद्याचा टॉपिक फार इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, ॲब्सेंट नाही राहायचं. वर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन कंप्लीट करणार आहे, त्याच्यावरती डेफिनेटली क्वेश्चन जेई आणि नीट वाले विचारतात.